We're going to spread some dilutions now, so we're making spread plates. First thing to do is make sure we've got everything we need close to hand, so nice neat work area. I'm going to open up the packet of disposable spreaders, opening them at the handle end and not at the actual spreader end. I'm going to label our plates, so remember we label the base where the agar is, and we label around the edge in nice neat writing. We don't want to obscure the plate too much with the writing because we want to be able to see the colonies that end up growing on the plates. So here we need our name, we need the sample, we need the dilution level, and also the date. We're going to plate out 3 dilutions here, 10 to the minus 5, 10 to the minus 4, 10 to the minus 3. Okay, before we actually plate the dilutions, we're just going to make sure that all the cells in them are evenly mixed. So we're going to give them a quick vortex on the vortex mixer. And then note that she's loosening the caps after each mixing stage, so they're easy to take off using that aseptic technique with the pinky finger method. This is very hard to do if the caps are on very tightly. Okay, we're going to get our P100 pipette or P200 pipette with a yellow tip. Take the caps off using our aseptic technique, pinky finger method, and we pipette 100 microliters onto the agar. We're starting with the most dilute sample, that's 10 to the minus 5, and heading down to 10 to the minus 4, then 10 to the minus 3. And if we do it this way, we don't need to change tips because it's an increasing number of cells at each step. We're mixing up and down also in each dilution to equilibrate the cells into solution with cells that are adhering to the sides of the tip. So once we've got our dilutions onto all the plates, we can take out a spreader. And once again, if we start with the most dilute sample, we can actually use the same spreader for all the plates. So with leaving the plates sitting on the bench, the base of the plate, we rotate it with one hand and go back and forth with the spreader and the other hand, being careful that the spreader doesn't touch anything else except the agar surface. So not our fingers, not the bench, not the gloves, anything else. Okay, we can dispose of the spreader. The plates are all made. Flip them over for incubation, base side up.